The all-parties Hurriyat conference has expressed serious concern over the upsurge in Indian state terrorism in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The APHC, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said killings, arrests, torture, destruction of property and other atrocities by Indian Army, police and paramilitary personnel during house raids and so-called cordon and search operations have become a routine matter in the territory. It pointed out that the Indian forces personnel have turned the Jammu and Kashmir, once called a paradise on earth, as a hell for its inhabitants. APHC leaders including Abdul Ahad Para, Zamruda Habib, Yasmin Raja and Dr. Museb in their separate statements demanded immediate release of all illegally detained Kashmiris languishing in different jails of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and India. A report released by Kashmir Media Service on the occasion of International Day of Democracy today said India has proved itself a fake democracy by suppressing with brute force the Kashmiris' right to self-determination guaranteed by several resolutions of the UN Security Council. It pointed out that despite facing the worst Indian brutalities for the last 75 years, the Kashmiri people are determined to carry on their struggle till they achieve their democratic rights. Indian police arrested an innocent Kashmiri youth during a search operation in Reasi district of Jammu region today. In Geneva, a Kashmiri delegation during a meeting with Organization of Islamic Cooperation Permanent Representative Ambassador Nasima Baghli and Councillor Salima Dalibe on the sidelines of the ongoing 51st session of the UN Human Rights Council sought urgent attention of the international community towards the fast deteriorating human rights situation in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. The delegation members said that it is high time that the world should take cognizance of India's settler colonial plan to change the demographic composition of the territory.